So how can you find the inverse function of f of x is equals to 4x plus 3 divided by 2x plus 5? So step number 1, let f of x be equals to x. So replace f of x with x and replace x with y. So where there's f of x, I'll put x like this, and this is equals to, where there's x, I'll put y like this, over 2y plus 5. So after you do that, your job now is to make y the subject of the formula. So step number 1 is to cross multiply. So this will give us 2y plus 5 multiplied by x, and this is equals to 4y plus 3. So since we're making y the subject of the formula, then I'll need to expand here. So 2y times x gives us 2xy. 5 times x is 5x. This is equals to 4y plus 3. So 2xy minus 4y is equals to 3 minus 5x. So on the left hand side, if I factor out y, I'll remain with 2x minus 4. Remember, I factored out y. On the right hand side, I have 3 minus 5x. So I'll divide both sides by 2x minus 4. 2x minus 4, like that. So this cancels here. So that y will be equals to 3 minus 5x divided by 2x minus 4. So in our final expression, replace y with the inverse of x, and then that's the answer you're looking for. Divided by 2x minus 4. So there you have it.